Ooh, pulley. Bound to have scratches. Alright, so we are back at the roads again. So this is day 3. Welcome back everyone. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Honestly, I can't stop saying about the roads in here. These roads are excellent. Trust me, this is something else. Look at this. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. If you have a good throttle control and cornering ability, you will be a king on these roads. Himalayan is underrated in terms of cornering. People just blindly say that Himalayan is not good for cornering. I don't know why. There's a bunch of stupids in this world. It's not like that, guys. You can corner in Himalayan very easily. You don't have to worry about the weight. If you're used to the bike, then no problemo. I always scrape my foot pegs on road while I corner, most of the time. While I'm solo, by the way. Right now I have a pillion, and even now I'm just cornering stupendously. Kallimali. We were supposed to go straight from the main road, but then Ben told there's a viewpoint in here. So I was like, okay, let's see and go. What's there in that? We are here to explore, so. Ooh, pulley. I'm satisfied with the view today. Bye bye. See you some other time. Okay. അവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഓപ്പൺ ആണോ? കയറിയാൽ മതി. അല്ല എന്തെങ്കിലും ഹായ്. ഇല്ല ഇല്ല
സീറ്റ് എടുക്കണ്ട,
ഇല്ല
സീറ്റ് എടുക്കണ്ട.
ഇല്ല 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 കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
കഴിച്ചിട്ടാണ്.
Alright, so we have decided to go to Swargam Mead in the evening because everyone's suggesting to go there in the evening. Okay.
ആട് സിനിമയുടെ അകത്ത് മറ്റേ ഷർബത്ത് ഷമീർ മറ്റേ ഇത് ചെയ്യുന്നൊക്കെ
ഇവിടെയാണോ?
ഷാജി പാപ്പൻ ആട്ടുംകാട്ടൊക്കെ കാര്യത്തിന് ഇവിടെ സാധാരണ ലൊക്കേഷൻ.
ഓക്കെ.
ഈ വഴിയിൽ അവർ തന്നെയൊക്കെ ആ സിനിമ മിക്കത് ഇവിടെ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്തത്
ഫുൾ.
ഈ ഒരു ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഈ ഒരു
There's a film in Malayalam called Aad, Jay Surya's film that was shot in here. വേണ്ട.
ആനപ്പാറ, ഇത് ഞങ്ങളുടെ പള്ളിയുടെ കുരിശുള്ളിയൊക്കെയാണ്.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ.
പെരുന്നാളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്, ഭയങ്കര അടിപൊളിയാണ്. വൈകുന്നേരം ആയിരിക്കും, അപ്പോൾ ഈ സൺസെറ്റിങ് കാണാം.
Okay, finally back on the main roads.
ഒരു ബോർഡ് കാണും
Okay.
ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിൽ SSM കോളേജ് എന്നും പറഞ്ഞു. ആ കോളേജിന്റെ അവിടെ ആരോട് ചോദിച്ചാലും പറഞ്ഞു തരും. ഒരു അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കുറച്ച് മിനിറ്റിലേക്ക് കയറി കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഒരു കോൺക്രീറ്റ് ഇട്ട വഴിയുണ്ട്.
Okay.
ആ വഴി നേരെ
Okay, so there's almost another 10 to 11 kilometers from here. We don't exactly know where it is. We'll have to ask someone. കാർഡ് എടുക്കുമോ? ഫുൾ
സാധാ വേണോ എക്സ്ട്രാ പ്രീമിയം വേണോ?
ഇല്ലല്ല, സാധാ മതി. നോർമൽ അല്ലേ? ആ മതി 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 മതി.
പൊറോട്ട ഇറച്ചി പിടിച്ചല്ല.
മനുഷ്യനല്ലേ പുള്ളേ. So that was my third fuel stop in this ride. The first one was 9:50 something. The second one was 8:20 or 30, something like that. And this is the third one. That's 8:16. I would say I'm getting an average mileage of about 38, 37 right now. On the first day I got 40, I suppose. Okay, so we just took a left from Poopara. Have to go another 3 kilometers and then a sudden left. That's what the people in the shop said. Okay.
മുള്ളന്തണ്ട് ഇവിടെ കേട്ട ഫസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട്.
Thank you.
അതേ മണ്ണിട്ട് റോഡാണ്. മുള്ളന്തണ്ടി വഴിയല്ലേ?
ബ്രോ പിടിച്ചിരുന്നോ? ഹോ ഹോ ഹോ.
മലയുടെ പക്കത്താണ് പോകുന്നത്.
So that is where we have to go, right there. എടുത്തോ, സംശയമുണ്ട്. ആ
At this point, I decided to park my bike down below and then walk to the view. And my god, trust me, this is one hell of a view. It was excellent, and I was a bit worried that I couldn't take my bike up to the view, but then I didn't take the risk.
Okay, so that was it for Mullam Tanda. It was that stupid mud over there. There's absolutely no traction, but it's fine. It was all an experience. This is my second time falling from the bike. Right, Ano? Okay, we are going to Chaturangapara. That's a sunset location. Apparently, we decided to go there instead of what is that? Swargameda. Yeah. All right, 1.7 kilometers more, Chaturangapara. Don't tell me those BMWs went through this way. They would have had a bad time. It's a luxury class 530D. That has very less ground clearance. I don't know what he did. എന്താ ചെയ്യുക? ഇവിടെ നിർത്താമല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, ഇറങ്ങിക്കോ. So I definitely have to do a cinematic in here for sure. With this windmill and stuff, I'm just excited. So cinematic in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so I really want to thank Ben for coming with me to all these places and being part of my stupid adventure. The one thing that I noticed from the fall is these knuckle guards that I've installed on my bike have prevented my handlebar from bending. So I would really suggest these to any riders. What if I didn't have my hand guards today? I would definitely have broken this hand lever, clutch lever or brake lever, because I fell on both sides, this side and that side. So I probably wouldn't have both levers today. But apart from that, there's scratches. Of course they do come. Adventure bikes are bound to have scratches on them, so doesn't matter. I'm not even a single bit worried about that. So the crash guards didn't really serve their purpose. I would really not suggest these crash guards from Royal Enfield, which I bought for 1,270 rupees exactly. I need to get better crash guards soon. Zana is a good option, but they tend to rust soon. That's the issue. I'm still figuring out crash guard companies. I'll be getting them as soon as possible. So guys, day 3 was an excellent day. I loved it. I had a lot of fun today compared to yesterday. So I'll be back with the day 4 again tomorrow. So I hope you guys like the video. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.